Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are with the new lecture, and this lecture is lecture number 3 in CT quantity C2262 quantity surveying 1. Today's topic is the different types of the forms used in the construction work. Here you can see that. There are many forms used in construction work. Today I am talking about the measurement sheet. It is very important form, measurement sheet. This measurement sheet has 9 columns. In column number 1, the serial number 1. In column number 2, item details. In serial number 3 is number, and 4th column has length, and 5th column has the breadth. You can see here that 6th one is the height or depth. 7th column consists of the quantity, and the 8th column has a total quantity, and column 9 has remarks. These are 9 columns, but not necessary. They may vary according to the work and according to the need of the engineers and the technologist. The next is the abstract quantity form. This form has 4 columns: serial number, detail of work, quantity, and remarks. These columns may vary according to the need and according to the work. This is the 3rd column, abstract cost of forms. This form has 7 columns. The column 1 is the serial number, number 2 the item, number 3 quantity, number 4 unit, number 5 the rate. This is the 6th column is the amount, and the last one is the remarks. In this not necessary, it has 7 columns, maybe 6 or maybe 8 or maybe 9. It depends on the need of the work, need of the engineers or technologist. This is the material statement form. In this form we record the material we are using at the site, recorded here. This is the serial number, particular of work, cement quantity. Here we record the cement quantity of cement. Here we record the mixed sand quantity, fine sand quantity we record here, MS steel quantity, tar steel quantity is here, lime, paint, and wood we used for the construction. These are the 10 columns, may increase, and the items of work not necessary, cement, mixed sand. You may use any quantity of the material in this statement, material statement form. This is the labor statement form, in which we record the details of the labor used in construction work or any type of work we are doing. In this form, the first column is the serial number, the second one is the particular of the work, third is the mason, carpenter, the blacksmith, the welder, the electrician, the plumber, and the painter, and the loader. These are the 10 columns, but may vary according to the work and need. And we can use for this work in the estimate as well as. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. wa rahmatullahi